Hello folks, welcome you to the Tools Hub. Today we're diving into a world where tools and inventions push the limits of human creativity. Get ready to be inspired, let's jump right in. There are few things as satisfying as the precision of a CNC laser cutter at work. This smart clip umbrella provides instant shade anytime, anywhere. No matter how hot the sun is, you will always feel cool and comfortable. This compact hand tool is a real game changer when working with rubber. Small but mighty, as reliable as a Swiss bank. Feed is fed in, and the machine mixes and dispenses it like an expert. With such an efficient system, it's no wonder the cows live such a relaxed life. Nail factories are places where machines dance with high speed and impressive precision. It's not just production, it's a performance. It's impressive to see how intricate the process of mass-producing children's shoes is. Each little pair of shoes is a miniature masterpiece of precision. Cleaning gutters is no longer a burden. This device gets the job done quickly and easily. Say goodbye to clogging. Hello to clean and clear gutters. In just a few minutes, this clever machine revives old food, making it look and smell like new. For the cows, it's like a fancy meal in the barn. You might think it's hard to create the perfect sphere, but with the right tips, you'll get flawless results every time. The secret is actually incredibly simple. After seeing this trick, you will never look at your old broom the same way again. With a little creativity, you can turn it into an extremely useful item. It's hard to believe that raw materials in bulk can create something so solid. A little heat is all it takes, and you have a barrel ready to use. Behind every perfectly shaped dish is a system of advanced technology, transforming simple ingredients into beautiful and delicious works. The once ordinary can is now something else. With great pressure, this machine turns trash into useful and environmentally friendly materials. Clean, smart, and powerful. From sturdy scaffolding to skilled hands and precision tools, this video has it all. Making a ceiling this smooth is truly admirable. For fitness enthusiasts, this outdoor home gym has everything you need. Work out hard, stay in shape, and don't leave your backyard.
He's like a sculptor, shaping the future with every burst of concrete. Their packing speed is like a well-oiled machine, fast, smooth, and flawless. Every bush has beauty. It just needs the hands of a skilled pruner to reveal it. He cuts banana leaves like a ninja, slicing through the air silent, swift, and precise. With technological innovations in equipment, agriculture has been elevated to a more advanced stage. Take a good look at this part. You're about to discover an amazingly easy method for separating egg yolks. It peels potatoes like a skilled barber shaving. Smooth and precise. Your views and comments mean so much to us. Thank you. We hope this video gives you a wonderfully soothing break. You can feel the force just by watching its industrial strength turned into motion. It's hard to believe this crumpled shirt looks brand new now. This machine is truly magical. Just trust me. This powerful blower will keep every snowflake far away from your doorstep. The perfect assistant for lifting heavy loads upstairs in multi-story homes or buildings. Come and see how these ceiling cleaning brooms come to life.
1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、11、12、13、14、15、16、17、18、19、20、停！
I wonder how many years of training it took for her to master these incredible skills. It's surprising how straightforward the process of decorating bowls can be. You've just discovered the process behind the designs on your denim jeans. Clean split and reveal is pure ASMR, simple, smooth, and so satisfying. He didn't just unload bamboo, commanded gravity to do the rest. When faced with this machine, every tree stump is easily defeated. With technology like this, adjusting traffic flow is no longer a challenge even during rush hour.
Thank you for watching our video. Hope you found useful tools for yourself. We wish you have a good day. Goodbye and see you again.